Today, we're diving into Surveytime, an innovative online survey platform designed to revolutionize your data collection process. Surveytime is typically used by businesses, researchers, and individuals to gather valuable insights, conduct market research, and make informed decisions. Throughout this video, we'll explore Surveytime's key features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and available alternatives. Let's take a look at Surveytime's main features. Versatile survey creation. Surveytime offers a user-friendly interface and a wide range of customizable survey templates, allowing users to create surveys tailored to their specific needs. From multiple-choice questions to open-ended inquiries, Surveytime provides the flexibility to design comprehensive surveys effortlessly. Real-time responses. With Surveytime, users receive real-time responses as soon as participants complete surveys. This instantaneous feedback enables users to analyze data promptly, identify trends, and make timely decisions based on current insights. Global reach. Surveytime boasts a diverse and extensive panel of respondents from around the globe, ensuring that surveys reach a broad audience across various demographics and geographic regions. This global reach enhances the representativeness and reliability of survey data. Integrated analytics tools. Surveytime offers robust analytics tools and reporting features, allowing users to visualize survey results, generate detailed reports, and gain actionable insights. Whether it's pie charts, bar graphs, or trend analyses, Surveytime provides the tools to interpret data effectively. Seamless integration. Surveytime seamlessly integrates with popular third-party platforms and software, including CRM systems, email marketing tools, and data analysis software. This integration streamlines workflows, enhances data management, and maximizes the utility of survey data across multiple platforms. 24/7 customer support. Surveytime prioritizes customer satisfaction and offers round-the-clock customer support to address any inquiries, technical issues, or assistance needs promptly. Whether via email, live chat, or phone support, Surveytime ensures that users receive the assistance they need when they need it. Surveytime's pricing structure is transparent and accessible, with a simple pay-per-response model. Users pay a fixed rate of $1 per completed survey response, regardless of survey length or complexity. There are no subscription fees, setup costs, or hidden charges, making Surveytime a cost-effective solution for businesses and individuals. Users commend Surveytime for its intuitive interface, seamless survey creation process, and responsive customer support. The platform's user-friendly design and straightforward navigation make it easy for users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys with minimal effort. Surveytime's pros include versatile survey creation options, real-time response tracking, global reach, integrated analysis tools, seamless integration capabilities, and 24/7 customer support. However, some users may find the pay-per-response model costly for large-scale surveys or ongoing research projects. Additionally, advanced customization options may be limited compared to other survey platforms. Alternatives to Surveytime include Google Forms, Typeform, SurveyMonkey, and Qualtrics. These survey platforms offer similar features and functionalities, allowing users to choose the platform that best suits their survey needs and budget. In conclusion, Surveytime emerges as a powerful, user-friendly online survey platform, offering versatile survey creation, real-time responses, global reach, integrated analytics tools, seamless integration, and 24/7 customer support. Sign up today to unlock the potential of Surveytime to gather valuable insights and make informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more software reviews and tips. Thank you for watching.